In today's session, we are going to see the topic that is Swayamprabha's three dimensions. So exactly we know that what Swayamprabha is, how many channels Swayamprabha has, but what are these three dimensions and how these dimensions will help you to get any question from the topic Swayamprabha. So let's start the session for the day today. Hello students, welcome to Global Online, and on Global Online we have started preparation classes for your APSET examination, wherein we have brought paper 1 complete course. Now this complete course will be conducted in English as well as in Hindi, and this courses will be conducted daily live at 9 p.m. The speciality about this course is that this course will have full syllabus video lectures, including topic wise MCQs and full syllabus notes, which can be downloaded in PDF format. At the same time, you have full syllabus mock test and 2000 plus MCQs practice questions, which will help you to crack your examination in a very systematic way. In order to understand how to avail this course and how to access this course, you have to go to Google Play Store, download the app that is called as Global Online app, registered yourself with the registered mobile number. Once you registered yourself, you will be able to see the courses. Now, in that, you have to click your AP, that is Andhra Pradesh SET Examination. Once you click on that and once you pay the fees, you will be able to access all the details very well, where you have the theory classes, the MCQs preparation, and much more, which will help you to crack your examination.
So, as you all know that when we spoke about Swayamprabha, or basically when we talk about Swayamprabha, the channels, okay, a very important update for every one of you. So now we have the channels update is 20, that is 40 channels. Initially it was 32, then increased to 34, and now we have the latest number of channels is 40 channels on Swayamprabha, which are divided into these three categories. Now, what are these three categories? So the first category is your higher education, right? Which we have completed in part 1. Your second category is school education, which we have also did little bit introduction in part 1, but bit of it is left, which we'll be doing today. And your third category is competitive exams, which is, upcoming very shortly, right? So we are going to see bit of part 2 today and part 3. So you may get, what are the three dimensions of Swayamprabha. So basically, the three dimensions of Swayamprabha are higher education, school education, and competitive education, right? So let's go with this competitive education. So when we talk about competitive education, that is, we are talking about what? We are talking about PM E-Vidya. Now, basically, what is this or what exactly it talks about? So, PM E-Vidya is nothing but a unique and innovative venture which is brought up by Ministry of Education, that is Government of India, earlier known as Ministry of Human Resource Development, right? Now, what is this? This is basically a multi-mode access to digital, or you can say online teaching learning contents of various types among the students and teacher. Very, very important statement for your statement type of questions. So what is PME Vidya basically talks about the school education, where we talk about innovative and unique venture which is being brought up by Ministry of Education. So now when we say Ministry of Education, so it was first being known as your Ministry of Human Resource Development. And what does it deals with? It deals with an access to digital and online teaching contents of various types, which is applicable to students also as well as to teachers also, right? So now this, if we talk about the uniqueness, so obviously it is mentioned that it is unique. But now what is unique? So uniqueness lies it in its comprehensive accessibility. Now when I say comprehensive, it means it is inclusive of everything, right? Which caters the education content basically for remote learning platforms. Now, when I say remote learning platform, it means it indicates internet, it includes radio, it includes community radio, podcast, and TV. So, very, very important statement also when we talk about PM Vidya, which talks about catering the education via which mode. So, in the mode of internet with the help of radio, with the help of community radio, podcast, and TV. Now, what is the initiative? So, what is one of the important initiative that sorry, PM eVidya is creating 12 channels, which now these has been increased to 200, and one class, one channel. So basically it is, one class, one channel dedication to broadcast the educational content which is related to class 1 to 12. So please be careful. The number of channels which were 12 now increased to 200, and the classes content is from class 1 to class 12, and these will benefit the learners not only with remote areas, basically wherever there is no stable internet connection. So these are all, see, these statements really matters a lot. And if you see the latest questions of UGC, these questions are coming from this internal form. So you have to be very clear. Number of channels are what, basically what is the content about, how does it benefit the students, and the curriculum is developed by whom. So the curriculum, this channel broadcast curriculum is developed by NCRT and other educations like CBSE, KVS, NIS, Rotary Club, etc. So there are two things over here. The initiative of the PM eVidya is being done by Ministry of Education, developed by Ministry of Education, whereas the content, the curriculum is developed by whom? It is developed by NCRT and other agencies like CBSE, KVS, NIOS, Rotary, right? Now the video content which we have, so this video content is developed in Hindi, that is the language. I'm talking about English and regional languages. So please, right now there are sorry, there are many channels which have been upcoming regional channels, and there are QR codes which are placed on these video content. So it can be scanned using the Diksha mobile app, which will help the users to get then access to the content on Diksha portal, right? So see, this is, this is like basically the process of working of what? Working of your PM eVidya. So when we talk about PM eVidya, the channels, okay, the contents which is available, developed initially by whom, wherever, what is the benefit, is the benefit is about this availability in spite of not having the good internet connection. The curriculum, the educational content is developed by NCRT, CBSE, KVS, NIOS, Rotary, and the languages which are available is Hindi, English, as well as the regional languages, where you have to scan the QR code with the help of Diksha portal, and you are ready to go with your content in order to learn yourself, educate yourself, right? So this was about what? This was about school education. Then we have the next third segment or dimension is Sati, that is for the competitive exam. So obviously one of the project for universalization of quality education with the help of direct to home channels. So I hope everyone knows DTH meaning, that is direct to home TV and web platform, where the education will be catered or assistant is done related to study and preparation of college entrance or the job oriented competitive exams. Now what is the use of this? It aims to help the students and the job aspirants of India at their doorstep. So the students don't have to go at anywhere. It will be all available at the doorstep with the help of the TV sets. And there would be 40 channels for this purpose. A detailed plan and schedule is coming soon. So if you go on Swayam Prabha portal and check out this is the information which is available, where they have told the channels will be 40. But yes, what will be the detailed plan? What is the schedule coming up? That will be shared very quickly with you. So right now, what we have done Swayam Prabha a complete detailed understanding of three dimensions. One is with the help of higher education, another is with the help of school education, specifically focusing PM eVidya, and another is with the competitive exams, that is Sati, where we have seen it will be very soon updated, right? Now, this is what we have done in today's session. As I said, small, quick sessions have been developed for you. Every topic will be having a small understanding, all for the day. Thank you, everyone, and see you in the next class. Thank you.